submerged in the intercoastal waters. So Patrick here, Captain Patrick, is going to save the pigeon.
Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I have faith.
This is the boy and Bobber, aka Bob. Say hi, Bob.
No one can feel those of your needs. Then you won't
Scout might have a new pet.
let show. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to
Bob.
lean
See you
on.
later, Bob.
I just might